Having a good selection of beautifully crafted items is one of the things that adds the most fun to virtual tabletop. In this video, I will show you how to make use of the AI tools in Cibola 8 to modify existing items or even create new ones from scratch. So open your Foundry, log into a world of your favorite VTT, and let's get started. As you see, I already prepared 3 armories in my inventory. If you want to start with a new one, just press the Create Item button, choose a category, give it a name, and let's go. For this video, I will now modify one of the 3 to get rid of those all the same pictures which I currently have. I will start with the simple leather armor, and first thing I need to do is click on it so a new window opens which allows me to adjust the description. When I hover it, you already see the Generate Content button from Cibola. I click on it and describe what I want my description to be like. In this case, I keep it simple, and I just enter the sentence that it's a simple brown leather armor usually worn by mercenaries and thieves. So let's try that, and I just hit the Create Description button. And here we go. Before we continue, let me tell you one thing about the possibility to add further customization. Of course, there's a lot of settings in Cibola that allows you to further configure the AI models you're using. But now let's continue with this object, so I will hit the Save button and close this window for now. As you see, the description is saved and I can read it now when I open the item. Next thing we will do is create a picture for that. Therefore, press the Cibola button in the top bar of the window, and here is our standard icon we want to replace. In this window, we will now have to enter another prompt again, but we have some help because we already created the description. First thing I do is click on the 2 up-pointing arrows to load the description, and then I click the magic wand, which will improve it, turning it into a prompt. Before you press the image generation button, please make sure that it's not too complicated. Sometimes the AI improvement of prompts is too much and the final window will not be what you're expecting. In the most cases, 1 or 2 sentences are enough. If you have a very special imagination of how the item should look like, feel free to experiment around with it and you will for sure get a result that fits your needs. Also, there are some additional tools you can use to edit the model in the later progress, but I will show them in different videos as well. So for now, I will get rid of a lot of the prompt because I think it's still not necessary, and I press image generation to let the model do its work. There we go. I think it's a beautiful output already, but as I said, we will have the option to further improve it. The first thing I could do is expand it so I can have a closer look. Such a beauty. I think that's much better than the standard picture we had before. So let's close this and I will show you some more additions we can make. Of course, you could now do further adaptations, like using the sketch and improve it. For example, change the color or the style, use some dragon leather, add some metal plates or whatever you want to do. But as it already looks really beautiful, I will just erase the background. There's nothing to crop, there's no editing I need to do, so I will just let it go like it is. Now the background is removed, I can save it, and as you see, we now have a beautiful leather armor with a valid description in our item stock. So hopefully this was a helpful video for you. We wish you a lot of fun and success in experimenting with the possibility Cibola 8 brings to your VTT, and see you in the next video.